Alright, good day fellow riders. So today we're going to try to install the Komine saddle bag, motorcycle saddle bag sa Dominar 400 Kawasaki. Okay? This was given to me by my niece. Shout out kay Manea Garcia. So thank you. This was given to me during my birthday last year. Okay, so but before we install, I'll try to show you the different parts of the saddle bag and then the different straps that we're going to use so that it can fit properly sa Dominar 400. Okay, so we'll try to see that later. Alright, now if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe. It's free, and also like and share this video. I hope this can help you, especially for those who purchased Komine Saddle Bag. So let's try to install it together. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so this is the Komine Saddle Bag that we are going to install here in our Dominar 400. Okay, so you have two basically you have two bags. Okay, so this will come on your right side and this will be on your left side. Okay, so and then it will have some straps, so I will explain later. So the first one is we're going to try to open this. Okay, so meron siyang zipper, yan, magkabilang side. So pag inopen nyo yan, okay, yan, so this is the compartment inside, no? And then in-install ko na yung kanyang frame sa loob. So may frame yan sa loob. So install niya, pag nakita niya yan sa purchase niya, makita niya makahiwalay. Alright, so just insert it under para this will be the frame. Okay, so slide nyo lang dahan-dahan. Okay. Alright, so this is the right side, then pareho lang yan sa left side. Okay. Okay, so meron din siyang frame sa loob. So yan yung magpapakorte nung bag. And then both bags will come with a rainwater cover, or it can protect from the rain and can protect from the sun. Okay, so pagka nakapark, pwede yung lagyan ng cover yan. So may drawstring siya. Yan. So pwede nyo kabit yan pagka ayaw nyo mabasa yung bag nyo or under the sun. Okay? So that is the compartment inside. It has external pocket, no? Yung net, meron siya both sides. Okay? So eto naman, ito yung ika-attach nyo mamaya dun sa, ipapato nyo dun sa seat nung motorbike. Okay? Yan. So naka-velcro siya. Tapos these are D-rings to connect the straps. Okay? Right. So itong mga straps naman, it comes with 5 straps. Okay? So this one para dito sa connection to connect the 2 D-rings. Okay? So ito yung mas maraming, mas makapal na straps. Dalawa yan. Okay? So 1 and 2. And then this one, alright, so this one, may nahulog ka. Okay, so this one will be the strap that will connect the bottom part. Okay, so ito yan. Okay, alright, tapos no, ito pala, dito sa, yeah, dito yan sa ilalim. Okay, yan, then may connect. Alright, now you will see another quick release buckle here. So ito yan para dun sa gilid naman ng motorbike. Okay, alright, so next one is to check the other compartment. Actually ito pwede mo siyang i-enlarge, so naka-collapse siya, no? So you will see another zipper here. You can unzip this one. all the way, and then extend. So pwede siyang mag-extend, pwede siyang mas malaki. So for example, if you want to put more items, pwede mo siyang extend. Yan, okay? So i-unzip mo lang to, and then zipper. Okay. So this will be on both sides. Right, so mas malapad siya. If you want to make more items inside, so you can put your things here and this one. And then the material, okay, meron siyang hard plastic pero soft siya. Parang soft, no? Medyo hard and soft. Anyway, hard plastic to. Okay? Yan. So ito mostly I think this is cordura. Okay, material. Ayan. Okay? Alright. Meron siyang kasamang ganito. Okay, but this is all in Japanese. So wala siyang translation. Okay, so I just watched the video in YouTube kung paano in-install. Alright, so now the second part is to install the straps. So unahin natin ito, pagkabit ng this one. This goes here. Okay, so i-insert nyo lang to. Okay, and then this one. And then attach. So it is attached by quick release straps. And then use the other one. So nasa inyo naman yan kung anong side ang gusto nyo. Okay, and then you can adjust the straps later depending on the width of your seat. Okay. Yan. Okay, so ito yung papatong nyo dito sa seat. Okay, alright, and then later on we will just attach this. Okay, so ito yung sa side strap. Okay, para ma-attach dun sa side ng motorcycle, and then this one is the bottom strap. Okay, to properly secure the two bags. Alright. Okay, so ipapatong na natin siya dito. So here, what you need to do is to remove the back seat. Okay, so remove nyo lang yung back seat, and then papatong nyo to. Alright, so kaya magiging ganyan yan. Alright, so patong, open, remove the seat cover, and then put it on top. The strap must go inside. Okay, so you can adjust this. Not so tight, kasi when you put the seat back, okay, tapos i-close yan, mapupull ulit yung strap. So medyo loose siya dapat, huwag masyadong mas mahigpit, but you can always adjust this. Okay, adjustable naman yan. Okay, so I already adjust this, and then after that you put back the seat cover. Okay, so medyo may effort lang pag yan. Okay, yan. So pag na-lock na siya, then you attach the velcro straps. Yan. So these two bags will be attached together by these straps. Okay, yung strap sa ilalim, which is should be under the seat, and then it will again ma-cover nyo siya or ma-attach nyo siya using these velcro straps. Okay, so attach na siya. Now we will try to use these two straps, no, na meron siyang loop to attach the bag to the side of the motorbike. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, this one kung merong sa side, no, sa side ng motorbike, yung frame niya sa side, that connects the foot peg. Okay, so may butas dyan, pwede rin dito, but I choose this one, mas malaking butas, so you can attach this. Pasok nyo lang sa loob. Okay, so and then you will see the quick release here, and attach nyo lang siya. Okay, alright, so and then you go to the other side. Okay, So insert, and then attach this side. Okay, so you can adjust naman, and then para lang maging fit and snug siya. Okay, but later on we will try to adjust it more. And then get this other strap. This is the last one. Okay, so you will attach this here. Okay, if you can see. Okay, yan, attach nyo lang yan. Okay, and then other side, attach nyo. Okay, yan, and then make sure that you tie this para lang hindi tatama dun sa wheels, sa tires. Yan. Okay, so basically that's it. So adjust, you can adjust the strap on top, adjust the side strap, and then adjust the bottom strap. Okay, so you can zipper this and then zipper. Okay, zipper. Yan. Alright, that's it. Ganun lang kasimple. Then pagka mas if you want to enlarge or extend the bag, you unzip this so you have more space. Okay, you have more space. Yan. More space. Okay, so advantage of this is when you use this, hindi mo na kailangan ng side panniers, kasi yung side panniers naka-install na talaga siya, and it's going to be more bulky. But if you're just if you don't use it regularly, mas advantages to kasi you can release this easily without using the panniers, no? Kasi mas malalaking bags yun, tsaka hard casing, pero it adds to the weight. So for me personally, this is more useful for traveling, weekend travel, long rides. So pwede, you can easily remove this. So yun lang naman sa for my preference. So and then so what you can do is you put your clothes, you put your other things that you can probably use in the beach if you're going to the beach, like balls, frisbees, flippers, fins, masks, snorkels, no, the things that you're going to use for the beach. So very useful siya. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this will be helpful for you. Meron kayo natutunan. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you again for my next video.